Aloe vera is a gel from the leaf of the aloe plant, so people have been using this for many years. I love aloe vera gel because it heals and softens the skin. You can use it for your hair as well to get that softness on your skin, and also it can help with hair growth. Hi guys, so what you're going to need, definitely first your aloe plant. You're going to need a spoon and a knife. So you can see I am cutting the front of the leaf, so you need to make sure that you do cut that plant, that part, because there is going to be that yellow color that you're going to see in the aloe. So you also need to get rid of that. The reason why you have to cut that off, if you do when you extract the aloe out and you do have it within your packaging and all of that, what is going to happen is that the yellow part is going to cause sensitivity on your skin. So it's just so important that you make sure that the yellow part is removed. As you can see here, you can see by the camera that it wasn't well removed, so I needed to cut it off. And obviously for the side, you just slide your knife through and you get rid of the sharp part on the side. And there you can see the yellow part is still appearing, so in there I'm just going to cut off again so that I have a clear gel on. And this is my favorite, actually my favorite part of this whole thing. It's when I have to extract. So you just take your thumb and the knife and you just press down and just have to open it a little bit. After you open it, you come take your spoon, you just press hard using your thumb and you just slightly, it's very simple, and you just slide through it. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin C and E, keeping your skin young and happy. I am now still removing the part. So this part, you need to make sure you press very hard. The importance of using your thumb is that you need to make sure that when you remove the leaf out, you don't want it to have an aloe in. You want to make sure that you get as much product that you can get from the aloe plant, okay? And you benefit a lot from it. So yeah, you can see, look at the gel, the beauty and everything in there. So yeah, so to actually extract is very simple. Take your spoon, you just scoop everything out and you just slide. Simple process, and you will definitely, as you can see there, we have our aloe gel. So I'm just going to put that in the blender, and obviously I'm scooping everything out to make sure that I get as much product. So before you start with your blending, just ensure that you check your aloe gel and ensure that it doesn't have any colors that is not clear. If you see any green part, make sure you remove it and you blend it nicely, and then you pour in your packaging. So in order to keep your shelf life longer for this packaging or for the cleansing gel, what you need to do, you need to put it in the fridge. So I do put mine in the fridge, and then I use it, put it back, use it, and I put back. So yeah, and also I like to label mine to know the date on when I made the ad, just to keep the record. With that being said, I love you. Thank you so much for stopping up by. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Mwah. Much blessings to all of you.